All right, guys, so I'm going to teach you how to do a blowout on 4C type hair. First and foremost, you need to make sure that you shampoo twice with as hot as water as you can take it. And when you condition it, make sure that you rinse that out with cool water. After that, don't put anything else in your hair. When you're blow drying, use a paddle wig brush and make sure that you're blow drying it downward, and you want to make sure you use the diffuser so it doesn't burn off your hair because it's a lot of heat. Once you do that, you want to get it as straight as you possibly can. Since her hair is so natural, it means that she's never had any type of relaxer. It's taken us extra steps to make sure that we weigh it down. Now I use some hair serum, and we have to re-blow dry that back in order to get it to bake the serum in. That is essential when you want to do a silk press to make sure that it at least lasts for 2 weeks. She absolutely positively loved it. Let us know in the comments what you think. Thanks for watching.